There's a lot of misunderstanding with infrared. Quite often people think that infrared is a tool that you can open the box, get the camera out of the box, point and click in the given direction, and it will show you everything that you're there to find. This isn't anything like that. It's no different really to photography in a way that if you're untrained photographer, it's very difficult to get a great image. And with infrared, there's a finite amount of thermal radiation that we're trying to see and understand, and many objects in our way and obstacles in our way to stop us from achieving what we need to achieve. So the thermal image is effectively trying to turn what is invisible to the naked eye into a visible image. The radiation that emits from a surface is detected by the camera. The camera will then have those as number values, and then we, and I stress the word we, as thermographers or people that are using thermal cameras, can apply colours to those values. Okay, and there's a choice to be made how you apply those colours. If you just point the camera in the general direction of the target and press click and then interpret that image straight out of the camera, there will be a choice made by the camera's internal software as to which the hottest pixel is in the image and the coldest pixel is in the image, and that will unfortunately span the image incorrectly most of the time, not showing you what it is you're actually looking for. So cameras are not particularly clever, and when you capture the image, there is a raw amount of data captured. One of the other things that's misunderstood is the camera's resolution. We only have, in the best possible case, when it comes to drone thermography, 640 pixels along the long edge by 512 pixels along the short edge. That equates to around about 327,000 pixels. In the average mobile phone, we've got 12 million pixels. So there is a massive difference in resolution. And each one of those pixels is effectively a temperature, and we apply colors to that temperature. So the image you can see on the screen at the moment, you can see that this particular palette has been applied to those 327,000 cells of temperature, and it gives us the image that you can see in front of you. We would then tune that image to draw out and color the way we want to color it, the information we're looking for. So in this particular image, it was tuned to see that heat loss that we can see on the end of the elevation. That might not necessarily be this clear if you just clicked the camera